What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom for parents. So first, you need to head over to the Google Classroom's website by just typing classroom.google.com. After that, you just simply need to enter the email ID and password of your child's Google Classroom's email ID and password. And after that, you will be able to access the Google Classroom of your child. After that, here at the home section, you will see all the classes that your child attends. And after that, if you want to dive into a specific class, just simply click on it once, or you can just simply click on three dots and you can open it, copy it, or you can copy the invite link if you want. From here, you can open the graded book for this particular section. And from here, you can open a folder of this particular section in Google Drive. And here, as you can see, you can just simply change these according to your vision requirement. And then on the left side, you have the calendar. While clicking on calendar, here you will see all the upcoming holidays, all the upcoming events that the school has kept. And when you click on teaching here, you will see the teacher section, like if the teacher needs to review any assignment or any test. And here in the reviewed section, there will be all the assignments and tests which are already reviewed by the teacher. And after that, here you will see the classes that you just seen on your home page. And from here, you will see all the archived classes which are archived by the teachers. And when you click on settings, here you will open the settings of your Google Classrooms. From here, you can change the profile of your child's Google Classrooms account, and you can also change the name, and you can also manage some account settings. If you want to don't allow the email notification, you can turn this toggle off. Similarly, if you don't want comments on your post or comments that mention you or private comments on the work, you can simply turn these toggles off according to your wish and requirements. So this was a small tutorial to parents on how to use their child's Google Classroom. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.